Hello guys, welcome back to our channel Mini Bombs. As we have 5 rising stars in this channel, we have different qualities. Go check out other videos too. And comment below who's your favorite. I am the crafty star, the creative one. Miss Tasnianis. You can check my Insta account too. The link is in description box. Now coming back to my craft work. We need one A4 size sheet, glue and scissor. First of all, we need to cut the sheet into 4 equal strips. Like this. Paste the 4 strips into one long strip. Now fold this way. Comment below. Keep supporting. Like, subscribe, comment and share. Do recommend to others. Thank you. Bye bye. Meet you soon.